Welcome back to the Matrix. You're not just in the Matrix, you are the Matrix. How's it feel, Neo? And today we have a banger daily market news and analysis. So without any further ado, let's bring the action. In this video, we're going to do the weekly recap on the most impactful and important news of the week that affects cryptocurrency. We're going to do the update for the Bitcoin charts. We're going to do XRP charts. And then we're going to do whatever coins you guys want to do after that. So make sure you guys are spamming that like button, commenting down below which coins you want, hitting that share, all that and more in this video. So let's get into it. All right. All right. Real quick, I'm not going to spend too much time on this, on the news, and then we're going to get into your guys's coins after that, after we do the TA. All right, so the top 10 most impactful news events for the week in order. Number 1, presidential candidate Robert Kennedy Jr. announces plan to back the US dollar with Bitcoin. This could be massive, in my opinion, getting back into the gold standard, the digital gold standard. Number 2, U.S. Senator officially introduces bipartisan, meaning not Republican, not Democrat, bill to ban members of Congress from owning and trading individual stocks. Now, I've said my theory on this before. Everyone thinks that this is a good thing. And maybe in the long term it is. But I've showed in the charts before, and I'll show it again. When the Fed banned themselves from owning individual stocks, it was literally the tippity-dippity top. This is just a bill. It could take time. It could take time to play out. However, once this thing gets passed, I think that is it. Sayonara, goodbye for the stock market. So we'll see how that plays out. We might have one more leg higher, and then that could be it. Number 3, U.S. Congressman Richie Toros asked the SEC Chair Gary Gensler to stop its assault on crypto, says they are not securities. They are not securities. Number 4, SEC Chair Gary Gensler says he is disappointed that the court ruled XRP is not a security. I mean, the man put his life work into it. I would be disappointed too. Number 5, Tesla reveals none of their 333 million Bitcoin was sold in Q2 of 2023. Number 6, Federal Reserve officially launches FedNow instant payment system. A lot of people theorize that this is going to be on the backs of XRP and XLM. There's a lot of theories about that. We will see. Number 7, SEC adds BlackRock, Fidelity, and 6 other spot Bitcoin ETF applications to the Federal Registry. Now, what this means, this does not mean that things are on like Donkey Kong. What this in fact means is they have been acknowledged that they are being put forth, that they will be on like Donkey Kong. G-Rod, thank you for your subscription, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
I appreciate you, my man. Number 8, Sam Bankman-Fried is paying millions of dollars to his lawyer with stolen customer funds. This is truly corruption. Number 9, U.S. House Republicans introduced bill to establish regulatory framework for crypto. And I've said this all along. The next wave is regulatory clarity and institutional money entering into the market. And number 10, SEC says judge ruling that XRP is not a security is wrong. So those are the top 10 news events of the week. And with that, let's get into the charts. Show me the charts, and I will tell you. And I will tell you the news. So we're going to do XRP, and we're going to do Bitcoin, and then we're going to get into your guys' coins. I'm going to try to do a really good job of not answering questions in the middle of answering a question. So don't think that I'm ignoring your chat. I'm just going to do a good job of answering the question fully before moving on to the next thing. So let's read some of these. Hey, yo, what up, bro? Please show me files, Fib. I got you. Ski, hope all is well. All is well. Today is Sunday. It is the beginning of the week. Let's have a great, fantastic week. CYL says Hedera and Saucer Swap token. Do you think Sauce can have similar market cap to Uni? What's your prediction for Hedera's Saucer Swap? Thank you. I do. At least proportionally the same thing. So I don't think it's going to get into the $100 range. The Fibonacci's say 11 cents. I personally think 50 cents is very reasonable for Saucer Swap. I've been following a lot of RFK Jr. Tom, anybody who is pro crypto, I will listen to what they have to say. And he is pro crypto, so I will listen to what he says. Crypto crew, happy Sunday, ski boogie. VChain VRA, hit me up with render. Can you please get prediction for Yearn Finance? What is your prediction for Bitcoin the next 30 days? All right, let's get into Bitcoin. Let's get into the TA for Bitcoin. Now, I said on my last live stream that I thought that Bitcoin was going to cool off a bit. I thought that it was going to cool off a bit. I would give it a couple more days to break out. And if it didn't break out, I was anticipating a back test, more consolidation before retrying it again next month. And that's exactly what it seems like we're doing. We've had a cross to the downside on the RSI. The yellow 8 moving average has crossed the 21. And we're just kind of marching along to the downside. I anticipate for us back testing into the full moon energy, 28,500, reconsolidating in there before having a new breakout to the upside. I still think the retracement is 48,000 for Bitcoin. That is where we're at right now. We had a cross, we had lower lows, a downtrend on the RSI here for Bitcoin, and the sarcastic RSI is way on the downside. So we'll see. I'm more bearish right now, but in the general market where it stands for Bitcoin, everything is an uptrend, the opposite of what we had last year. So the whole market just looks like this, just one big slow sideways and up all the way through, where last year it was the complete opposite, slow sideways and down all the way down. So it is the opposite of the effect of the market. So for last year, the moves were kind of slow and sideways and up and big moves to the downside. I think the opposite is true. Slow and sideways to the downside and big moves to the up. Slow and sideways to the downside, big move up. So as of right now, I think we're going to slow and grueling down for another week or so, and I will be looking for opportunities because I think that every single dip in the market at this stage of the game, every dip in the market is going to be short-lived. So for me personally, I will be looking for opportunities to go long and to accumulate more Bitcoin, more XRP, more quant. But yeah, I anticipate a backtest 28,500 for Bitcoin before reconsolidating, moving up to the next upside. The next price target is going to be 35,000 to the upside. Ultimately, I think we're going to retrace to 48,000. So that's sort of where I think that we're at with Bitcoin. And with that, we'll move on to XRP. It's much of the same. We've had a clean breakout for XRP. Clean breakout. That being said, nothing just goes up in a straight line forever. I said that I thought that we had a couple more days to break out further. If not, that we would consolidate in between the 618, which is 83 cents, and the 0.5, which the 0.5 is 65 cents. That looks like exactly what we are doing right here. As you can see, rejection off of the 618, coming back towards the 0.5, which is 65 cents. So same story for XRP for Bitcoin. We're just cooling off, which is perfectly normal to have a little cool off before having another move to the upside. Nothing just goes up in a straight line forever. So again, same story for XRP that is for Bitcoin. I will be looking for opportunities to accumulate more XRP and go long on XRP into the next coming months or next coming weeks, days and / weeks. And with that, you guys, let's get into your coins. So make sure you drop your coins down below, and we will do these coins. I'm gonna make sure that I answer the coin all the way or the question all the way before I read any more comments, just for editing sake. Because if you guys haven't checked out the other video that I did, make sure you check that one out. I did a recap of my other live stream right here, Crypto Predictions Unleashed. I plan to do more style videos like that. Let me know what you guys think. Make sure if you're watching this live stream, go ahead, go over there and leave a comment that you came from the live, and I will shout you out later on. So I'm gonna try to do a better job of putting on a good show for the live stream for you guys who are live, but also making it easier post editing. And I think that's going to be the best strategy moving forward. All right, let's get into your guys' coins. Make sure you guys are dropping your coins down below, dropping your questions down below. Please show me file. I got you. So we'll start off with Filecoin. Render. VRA. VChain. Yearn. When did you learn about Bitcoin for the first time? The first time I ever learned about Bitcoin? All right. The question was, when was the first time that I ever learned about Bitcoin? The first time that I ever learned about Bitcoin was in 2014. Not for the right reasons. I was using this stupid rocket ship gambling game, and they were giving out free Bitcoin every single day. That was the first time I ever learned about Bitcoin. Whoops. XYO. Quant. Create One for me says he knows Quant by memory. That is facts. Quant is top 5 for me. I have a full video on Quant. XDC. Got 2 XDCs. And Caspa. XYT. XYT. And Ape. You think Hedera can reach $2 the next bull run? I do. 88 cents to $2 is my price target for Hedera. Do you have a video on how to set up Fibonacci? I do. Video is in my Patreon. I have a full course for the price of a cup of coffee in my Patreon. I have videos on Fibonacci's. I have videos on Wyckoff accumulation, really in-depth technical analysis, and every single week I'm uploading over there. So if you want to learn how to do that for the price of a cup of coffee, you can do that. And if you want to support me, that's how you can do that. GRT. If you held, you would be a gazillionaire on Bitcoin. Yes, but I didn't. GRT. All right, let's get into these. The first one is going to be Filecoin. All right. I really like Filecoin. The charts on Filecoin look amazing. However, the tokenomics on Filecoin are not. I don't like the tokenomics on Filecoin. So I will give you the parabolic, but I only think it's going to retrace because of the tokenomics. The inflation on Filecoin is insane. All right, $19 is the automatic rally. The retracement is $100. Maximum retracement is $140. That is where I think it's going to go, between $100 and $140, which is a, oops. You're looking at a 35x just to $140. If it wants to go parabolic and prove me wrong, $711 is where Filecoin would go. I don't personally think it's going to go there because of the inflation is not correct. Do you think Sauce can reach $5 to $10 per coin? Sauce having V2 coming out soon. Will you show Sauce emissions? Thank you. It's possible. My personal is 50 cents. The Fibonacci say 11 cents. However, Sauce has the same supply as exact supply as Uniswap. It does the same thing for Uniswap that Uniswap does for Ethereum, but it does it for HBAR. So it's very possible. However, my investment thesis is not off of what is possible. Rather, it is what is most likely. And that's always been my investment thesis. Shabib, thank you for the TikToks, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
All right, next is Render. All right, Render has a beautiful, the structurally of the chart looks amazing. We've had a crazy uptrend, but we're breaking out of that. Probably going to back test. On the downside, you're looking at $1.76. That'd be a good opportunity to scoop up some more. Retracement for Render is $3.43. Maximum retracement is $4.69. Parabolic for Render is $23.40. VRA is next. VRA already went parabolic, so we pulled a new Fibonacci off of that. From swing high to swing low. Retracement is 0.074. Max retracement is 0.088. Parabolic level for VRA is 2.9 cents. VeChain. I love VeChain. Oh, my camera's out. All right, let me fix my camera. 2 seconds. He says, "What up, Ski? Late to the game, but I'm here. Better late than never. Thank you for your support, my friend." XTC and Caspa, I got you, bro. Thank you for the TikToks. Did you ever look at how to get VeChain off Uphold to a ledger? I have not. I got you, though. We'll do XDC next. All right, 3.9 cents for VeChain is the automatic rally. Retracement is 14 cents for VeChain. Maximum retracement is 19 cents. Parabolic level for VeChain is 97 cents. He says Bitcoin has been sideways for so long. Yes, that's everything is breaking out. Bitcoin has not got the memo, but that leads me to believe that Bitcoin is next to break out. All right. Thank you for the TikToks, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top. Oh, yeah.
We're going to do XTC. XTC's had a clean breakout. All the way to the 236 almost. The 236 is a place that things tend to get rejected. So that would be 6 cents. So you might consider taking a little bit of profit there. Maybe a little 5%. Not financial advice. Retracement for XTC is 10 cents. Maximum retracement is 14 cents. Parabolic level for XTC is 64 cents. We appreciate your hard work, Ross. Thank you. I appreciate you. All right, next, Yearn Finance. Automatic rally for Yearn Finance is 14,000. Retracement is 43,000. Max retracement is 58,000. I would consider taking profits at each one of the retracements. Parabolic level 208,000, which is where I think Bitcoin is going to go. Phoenix Auto Detail says, is it better to buy and sell or just convert instead? If you mean by converting like to Bitcoin, ultimately, I believe Bitcoin is the true stablecoin. XRP is the winner of the start over of grand magnitude. Ultimately, I think that 99% of people are better off just accumulating, buying and holding. Dollar cost averaging, meaning you buy a little bit each and every week and you hold forever. Do you think the market will dip soon? I do, but the dips this year are different than the dips last year. The dips are more... Let's go to Bitcoin real quick. The dips are more like this. So last year, the dips were violent, and then the uptrends were kind of marching along. This year, the dips are marching along, and the uptrends are violent. So that's what I anticipate. A little marching along to the downside, followed by a violent tick to the upside. All right, let's continue. So for me, I'm looking in summary, I'll be looking for opportunities to accumulate more Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, HBAR, etc. XYO. Automatic rally for XYO is 1 cent. Retracement for XYO is 4 cents. Maximum retracement is 5 cents for XYO. Parabolic level, 25 cents. Can you do quant? I sure can. Quant is next. I have a full video on quant. One of my better videos. Eli wants it all. Says I dollar cost average into USDC or USDT and convert it into big dips. I do the same. 20% of my dollar cost averaging is into Tether and USDC. And I wait for dips typically around the full moon to accumulate more. But I still, even if prices are high, I still accumulate. All right, let's continue. Quant, one of the strongest performers of the bear market, and one of the best calls that I had. I have video evidence, $48, screaming from the hilltops that Quant is a super duper Black Friday sale. And it went all the way up to the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement at $228, up a 4x from $48. The maximum retracement for quant is $303, and the parabolic level for quant is $1,400. For me personally, anything at or about or around $100 is an absolutely exquisite price to get quant. So anything around, about, or below $100 is a great price, in my opinion, for quant, not financial advice. All right. Next is Caspa. Mr. Burns, thank you for the follow, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Caspa is having a breakout. This is a breakout right now. You can't really classify it as a breakout, but anything above the 786, it could be a double top. But if we get above, 4.2 cents, this is a clean breakout. And the next target would be 6 cents. And the most parabolic would be 11 cents. And then from there, you would have to pull a new Fibonacci. Yo, Ski, do Gala. I got you, bro. Gala will be after GRT.
He's just standing there, menacingly.
Whoops. Hey, man, you do a TA for XRP? And if yes, can you do a recap real fast? I got you. I did. Miguel, thank you for the follow, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
I got you. We'll do XYT, and then we'll do a recap on XRP. Ooh. This one ain't looking Gucci, man. This is like... What happened to XYT?
Oh! It went to zero! Eow!
What happened to XYT? I'd be looking to get out the automatic rally at 2 cents. I already did render. AGIX, I got you. Bitcoin is pumping. FET. All right, let's do a quick little XRP recap. So I said in my last live stream that I was anticipating a couple more days of the bullish energy of a breakout. And if we didn't get the breakout to the next leg higher, that we were going to consolidate between the 618 and the 0.5. And that's exactly what's happening right now. You're seeing that we had a clean rejection off of the 618, aka 83 cents, and we're consolidating down. We're probably going to touch this 55 moving average, the blue moving average right here, or the 21 rather, the 21 moving average. That is to the 0.5, which is 63 cents. I believe we're going to consolidate a little bit longer, like so, before having another breakout to the upside. For me personally, I'm looking for opportunities to accumulate more XRP. Phoenix says, last question. Hey, ask as many questions as you want, brother. That's what I'm here for. Is copy trading good while learning how to trade? All right. This is a good question. My opinion on copy trading is this. My opinion is trading is not, it's not a level playing field. You're going against the cream of the crop. All right, professionals. So, copy trading is like this. If I'm a professional, if I'm LeBron James, and I know you leave your playbook open, and you're not LeBron James, you're just a guy on the street, I can see what your plays are. I don't think that copy trading has the merit that it is made out to be. Trading is not a level playing field, but anybody can absolutely do it. But make no mistake about it, you are going against the professionals. It is a zero-sum game. There will be a winner and there will be a loser of every single trade. So there you go. That is my opinion. In short, no. Do you like KDA? It's medium to me. Eric says, so when Bitcoin runs up to 40s, will the altcoins run at the same time with the altcoins run afterwards? Typically how it goes, Bitcoin goes first, outside of a few, exclusions, but typically Bitcoin is the first one to go. And then at the end of the life, like let's say I know for a fact Bitcoin is going to go to $48,000. I know it for a fact. I'm a time traveler. I came back in time. Let's say when it gets to 42, 43,000, that's when you're going to start to see the whole altcoin market just running rampant. Algo and IOTA still in the game, in your opinion? Yes. XDC. I did XDC. 64 cents is the parabolic. What's a good price to accumulate some more XRP? I think right now, preferably it would have been back here, but now anything under 70 cents I think is good. What do you think of Pandora? I don't have any opinion on that, but I can look at the charts if you want, David. Can you review my portfolio and give me your feedback? I can. On my Patreon, that is the level 2. That's the level 2 tier. I do portfolio reviews as well as I give exit points. That is not financial advice, but I give exit points on my Patreon for how I would play your portfolio, things to consider. But yeah, I do portfolio reviews on my Patreon. Link in the bio for that. Gods. I got you. Will Ivy and Pepe as your meme play, or do you like something else? I'm not a huge meme guy. Carbira, I got you, bro. Cambria, I got you. I'm not a huge meme guy. If I were to pick one, I would pick Doge, just because I don't like to count to 1,700 zeros before I know what the hell the price is. NXRA, Caspa, I got you. Yeah, so I mostly focus on fundamentals because my thesis is not, what can you do for me now, but rather like who are the winners. That's sort of who I focus on. Who's going to be here in a decade from now? That's sort of my time horizon. All right, let's continue. Ape, GRT, Gala, AGIX. Ape is right now. All right, whoops. Ape needs to get going. Like, you don't love to see going below. Like, it pretty much double bottom from the March 2022. You don't want to see it to go lower than where it's at. If it holds, automatic rally is $3.65. Retracement is $10.50. Maximum retracement is $13.70. Parabolic level, $63. Thoughts on VeChain in the long run and ADA? Both of them, in my opinion, are here to stay. Both are here forever. Ooh. All right, this is a good question. James says, bro, I have a question. What is your favorite micro cap coin under $1 million? Okay. 1 million is tough because now you're in the pioneer. Okay. My light path is a pioneer. I'm a 5 path. All right. So I have to be cautious about being first. All right. The first guy through the door is the most bloody. You don't want to be a pioneer. You want to be early, but not first. But that being said, my top 5 micro cap coins, and I consider a micro cap anything under 250 million, is going to be Ergo, Flux, Chia, Sauce, and Dent. And a bonus would be NX. Someone said it earlier. NXRA is a bonus. All right, let's continue. Check out Combina Coin. I got you, bro. I got you. Deso and High Street, please. Somebody. I think George, did you just become a tier 2 Patreon? You savage.
But the cream will rise to the top. Oh yeah.
Whoever did that, message me your holdings, and I will make I'll do a portfolio review for you. Message me on Patreon your holdings and your percentages, and I'll do a review as well as exit points to consider for you. All right, let's continue. GRT, Gala, AGIX, Feet, Gambria, Gods, NXRA, Caspa, Deso, and then we'll probably have to wrap it up after that. I gotta get it. All right, GRT. Lightning round. Automatic rally for GRT, 30 cents. Retracement, $1.36. Parabolic level, $6.09. Nice. Gala. Full video on Gala. Check that out. Automatic rally for Gala is 6 cents. Retracement for Gala is 38 cents. Parabolic level for Gala is $1.96. As high as $2.68 is the parabolic level. He says, love sauce. Me too. Algo. I got you. We'll do Algo real quick. Because you donated. Algo. Retracement, 37 cents. Or that's the automatic rally. Excuse me. Automatic rally for Algo, 37 cents. Retracement, $1.34. Parabolic level, $8.88. Dag. All right. AGIX, FET. AGIX, retracement, 37 cents. Parabolic level, $1.21. FET. Retracement, it already hit the retracement, is 62 cents. The max retracement for FET is 86 cents. Parabolic level is $3. Rocha says, love your channel, brother. I appreciate you. Thank you. Hello? I got you, bro. Gods is next. Thank you for the TikToks, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top. Oh yeah.
It's at Cambria coin is after it's on deck. You're on deck, brother. I go in order. All right, retracement for Gods is 69 cents. Parabolic level is 3.14 pi. What's the ticker for that? CAMBR. Cam. I don't see a chart for it. CAMBR. What's the ticker for it? It's Cam. Cat. All right, Cambria. It's like a double top. What do you got here? 2019. That's interesting that its high was before the bull run. Very interesting. It retraced and then retraced again. All right. Retracement 2.2 cents. Well, all right, we're going to say the retracement is going to be the 236 at 008. Maximum retracement is going to be 2.3 cents. And if it wants to go parabolic, which it didn't last bull run, you're looking at 9 cents. Good entry for Cass. Cass is already like parabolic, or it's already breaking out. So I'd wait for a back test. NXRA. This is a low market cap gem for me. It's already hit the 0.5. Came back to the 236, which was 6 cents. So the maximum retracement for this thing is going to be 9 cents. Parabolic level is 28 cents. CKB. Casper with a C. I never know which one to do. All right, retracement for Casper is 13 cents. Max retracement is 17 cents. Parabolic is 83 cents. I don't count stuff like this. Like whenever you see a giant, like, you know, like what even is this? I don't know what happened back here, but I don't count any of this on the chart. All right, let's continue. Deso, DAG, Cello, CKB is the last one. And then I'll be on tomorrow. Deso got beaten down, man. All right, automatic rally, 2.1 cents. Retracement, 27 cents. Parabolic, $1.91. Solana is $888. He says, I see a great future for Sauce. Sauce is my favorite. Yeah, Sauce is one of my favorite low market caps. DAG. Amari, thank you for becoming a member of Patreon, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top. Oh, yeah.
Our automatic rally for DAG is 7.7 cents. Retracement is 24 cents. Parabolic level is $1.53 for DAG. Cello. Automatic rally is 124. Retracement for Cello is 425. Parabolic is $20. CKB. Automatic rally 005 for CKB. Retracement is 2 cents. Parabolic level 9 cents. Damn it. All right, can't go out like that. When I do my overall analysis for do your own effing research, I account for, this is what's called technical analysis. So this is technical analysis. There are two sides of the coin. There are technical analysis and there are fundamental analysis. When doing an overall analysis on a coin, I do fundamental analysis as well as technical analysis. But that is it for this time. If you guys want to learn how to trade, I have a full course on my Patreon for the price of a cup of coffee. You can help support me and you can learn how to trade over there. Shout out to everyone who donated. Pickle Rick, thank you for the confetti. Ollie, all right, I got you at the buzzer. At the buzzer. Last one for real. Last one. Retracement is 10 cents. Parabolic 39 cents. Great one for me, says bro. I want to learn. All right. If you want to learn how to trade for the price of a cup of coffee, link in bio to my Patreon. If you want to get some of my merch, you can do that. I'm at your boy Ski on YouTube, at your boy Ski on Instagram, at your boy Ski on TikTok. I will never ever message you and ask you how your trading is going. That is a scammer. Please report them. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Peace, love, prosperity. God first. God bless. I'm out.
Damn, hustling, 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 hustling,
It's your
hustling,
boy
hustling,
Ski.
hustling, 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 hustling.